Discovered a PVB file from a legacy PocketPC application? These are data files from VirtualBoss, a project management tool for old Windows mobile devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these VirtualBoss PocketPC data files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific PVB application fails. More details to follow. PVB files are data files created by VirtualBoss, a project management application for PocketPC and Windows Mobile devices. They contain project task lists, schedules, contacts, and management data, synchronized between mobile devices and desktop computers for mobile productivity workflows in early 2000s. Mobile computing. PVB files use VirtualBoss's proprietary format, storing project records, task definitions, schedule information, contact details, and synchronization metadata. The structure includes data records with timestamps, priority flags, completion status, and sync state information, following the application's specification for mobile desktop data synchronization. The specific reading module for PVB files is provided by VirtualBoss from VirtualBoss Inc. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows offers limited insight into these files, so interpretation relies on the application that generated them. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the PVB file and hit Open With. Test VirtualBoss if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If your PVB file is not opening yet, that is normal. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, opening in VirtualBoss. Launch VirtualBoss application on a PocketPC device or compatible Windows desktop installation and open the PVB file through the File menu. The software interprets the proprietary data displaying project information, tasks, and schedules in its management interface for viewing and editing project content. Next, migrating data. Since VirtualBoss is legacy software for discontinued PocketPC platform, extract data and migrate to modern project management tools like Microsoft Project Asana or Trello. Document project contents from PVB files manually or through any available export functions before transitioning to current productivity platforms. Finally, inspecting file contents. Open PVB files in HXD or a text editor to inspect raw contents looking for readable project data, task descriptions, or contact information. This analysis can recover important project information when VirtualBoss software is no longer accessible due to platform obsolescence. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.